People really want to see.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the taste tour would like to get going, but it's not happening. We're at Washington Dulles Airport now, waiting for flight 132 to Munich, and it was originally delayed from 5:20 to 7:45 p.m. Now it's delayed till 9 p.m. And as you can see, the waiting lobby is very happy. We're all very pleased, and we're all really satisfied. There's a potbelly. But I don't mean myself. So, United Airlines Flight 132 boarded now at Washington Dulles. Let's see here. One of the old Continental Boeing 767-200 aircraft. And we should be departing shortly.
As you know, the aircraft was late coming in from Munich, and when it arrived here, it had a significant mechanical problem with our right reverser, which they have taken care of. We've got that remedied. The logbook is back on board, and we should be underway here very shortly. Again, we apologize for that delay. We want to get you to Munich as quickly, but as also as safely as possible. Thank you. As we're being pushed back to the gate, that's when our flight attendants will be showing you their brief safety video. Even if you travel a lot, it's still a good idea to give this video your full attention. Emergency exits and procedures vary from aircraft to aircraft and from airline to airline, and subtle changes can make significant differences, so I ask you to please give this video your full attention. Once the aircraft is off the runway and flying, our planned flight time this evening is 7 hours and 25 minutes. The general forecast for Munich tomorrow is good. It might be a little bit foggy when we get there, although that may be cleared up by the time we arrive. But it should be a nice day with just a few scattered clouds, maybe a very light rain shower here and there, and the winds will be light, and the temperature should be about 70 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 15 degrees centigrade. But we'll update you on the current conditions as we get closer to the airport.
Each day about...
Pushing back now from the gate here at Dulles, Washington Dulles.
Once again, we'd like to welcome you aboard United Flight 132 with service to Munich, Germany. Our aircraft is under excellent command of Captain Jane McCain. He's informed us our flight time, 7 hours, 25 minutes tonight. My name is Rhonda, your National Service Manager on board. It's my pleasure to welcome you on behalf of the entire crew. This time, we'd like to take a few moments to review the safety information about our Boeing 767 Series 400 aircraft. If you would direct attention to monitors at this time, flight attendants, please take your positions for our safety demonstration.
Einen wunderschönen guten Abend, meine Damen und Herren. Nochmal herzlich willkommen auf diesem Flug mit direkter Verbindung nach München. Wir werden Ihnen in Kürze ein Sicherheitsvideo dieser Boeing 767-400 zeigen, daher bitten wir Sie, Ihre Aufmerksamkeit im Videomonitor vor Ihnen zu richten. Die Flugzeit heute beträgt 7 Stunden und 25 Minuten. Dankeschön.
Hello.
Hello. Konnichiwa. Ciao. Mabuhay.
We're excited to have you aboard. And we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulations requires you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with posted and lighted signs.
Engine start.
Which airline?
United.
You got it.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle.
Federal regulations also require passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions. For taxi, takeoff and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your device. Make sure you've switched all smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode.